The Iyer Residence in Santa Rosa, California is a 3,717 square foot home built completely of concrete and ICF by IntegraSpec. This includes ICF footings, a pitched multi-dormer roof and cantilever overhangs, a circular roof entrance and roof deck, an ICF elevator shaft, concrete floors and cantilever decks, ICF retaining walls, and a grand entrance foyer with a circular skylight. 2,500 square feet of Insul-Deck floor decking was also used. The Iyer Residence was designed for an existing city lot to replace a family home that was destroyed in the 2017 Santa Rosa fires. Natural sunlight was captured in each room by creating multi-angled wings so the rooms could have windows all around. The concrete roof employs multiple pitches, intersecting vaulted dormers, a circular dormer skylight, angular interfaces, and cantilevered overhangs. This was a cast-in-place poured concrete roof using ICF forming, with more than 4,600 square feet of roof poured in one day.